How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, start by opening the Gmail app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. And once you have opened the Gmail, simply tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. And from the drop down menu, simply select Manage your Google account. Now, in your Google account settings, simply swipe left and scroll through and tap on Security tab. Now, in the Security tab, scroll down until you find the option labeled Manage All Devices. And once you've found that, simply tap on it. Now you will see a list of all the devices where your Google account is signed in. So simply select the device that you want to remove. Now, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on Sign Out to disconnect your Gmail account from that device. And once done, that device will no longer have access to your Gmail account. And that's it. You have successfully removed your Gmail account from another device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.